All right, so let's find some ordered pairs on our graph, and we're going to use those to find the slope. Now we know the slope has to be negative. We know that because this is going down to the right. And it's going down 1 to the right 2. Down 1 to the right 2. So the slope is negative 1 over 2. We're going to use the slope and one of our points to find the equation. So I'm going to go ahead and use negative 3, positive 2. We're going to plug all this in for y equals mx plus b. In for y, we plug in 2. M is negative 1/2. Okay, that's right here. And in for x, we plug in negative 3. Now to get rid of our fraction, we're going to multiply everything by 2. Because we have a 2 as a denominator here, so times by 2, times by 2. So now we have 4 equals. Now these 2's cancel, so you get negative 1 times negative 3, which is positive 3, and plus 2b. And now to solve for b, we're going to subtract 3. So we get 1 equals 2b. Divide by 2. And it looks like b is going to equal 1/2. So your equation is y equals. The slope is negative 1/2. You see it up here, negative 1/2. That's my slope. X. And the y-intercept is positive 1/2. Or you could write your y-intercept as a decimal. Y equals negative 1/2 x. And then 1/2 is 0.5. Either one of these answers will work. And if you look at 0.5, that's your y-intercept. Does 0.5 look like a reasonable answer for a y-intercept? I think it does.